In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Rewards not working. If your searches aren't earning points, daily sets won't load, or quizzes refuse to register, the most common culprits are region settings and browser behavior. Microsoft Rewards verifies your region and runs a few scripts in the background to count activity. When something gets in the way of that tracking, points stop showing up. Let's walk through a clear set of fixes that address exactly that. First, turn off any VPN or proxy. Because Rewards is region-based, a VPN can make it look like you're somewhere else, or that your location keeps changing. That inconsistency is a red flag, and can block points from being awarded. If you use a VPN app, open it and disconnect. If your browser has a built-in VPN or an extension that routes traffic, pause it. Some security tools also offer web shields or proxy features that reroute traffic. Disabling those temporarily can help. The goal is to let Microsoft see your real region so it can validate your activity correctly. Next, try a different browser or device. Switching browsers can quickly rule out problems unique to one setup. If you're using Chrome, move over to Microsoft Edge, which tends to work best with Rewards and integrates closely with the service. Sometimes a specific browser profile, an outdated component, or a unique configuration can break the scripts Rewards relies on. Testing on another browser, or even on a different device like a laptop instead of a phone, shows whether the issue is isolated to your original setup. Finally, open a private or incognito window. This mode disables most extensions by default, which is important because ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can prevent the Rewards scripts from running. In Edge, open an in-private window. In Chrome, use incognito. Then go to the Microsoft Rewards page and try your searches or daily activities again. If it works in private mode, that's a strong sign an extension or cache data in your normal session was interfering. If you still see issues, combine these fixes. Turn off your VPN or proxy, switch to Microsoft Edge, and try your activities in an in-private window. That trio tackles region conflicts, browser-specific glitches, and extension interference all at once. Once everything is working, you can return to your usual setup step by step to see what caused the conflict. With these quick checks, you should be back to earning points smoothly.